This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Easy walk to the beach in Paradise Beach Park from this beautifully upgraded home with its own private in-ground pool. You'll love the beautiful tile floors throughout, the 4 large bedrooms, the upgraded bathrooms and the ample closet space. The kitchen has been elegantly redone with rich dark cabinetry and granite counters. Don't miss the 3rd full bathroom out by the pool. Screened covered patio to enjoy the Florida outdoors rain or shine. Interior freshly painted. Note: detached garage in back is for the owner's storage/use only, not available to the tenants. Yard and pool maintenance are included in the rent. No pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.